To apply design patterns on clothes in Photoshop, right-click on the layer and select Duplicate to duplicate the layer. Use any selection tool of your choice to select the subject. Then click on the layer mask icon to mask the subject onto the duplicated layer. Drag the design pattern onto the work path, then select Multiply as the blending mode. Resize it over the subject. Then right-click on the layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Also resize it to make it look realistic. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.